Hi, for Uber?
Yeah.
Hi, how's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good, what's your name?
Chanel.
Chanel. That's a nice name.
Thank you.
Yeah.
You have a nice car.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
So where are you off to today?
The airport.
Okay.
Yes.
That's fun.
Yes.
You going out of town?
I am. I have to go see my family.
Okay, very cool.
We live in the Upper East, if you know what that is.
Oh, in New York?
Yeah.
Oh, that's such a nice area.
I know, but I needed to get out because New York is such a busy, gross place.
Yeah. Yeah, it's kind of a privileged thing to say, but yeah, no, that makes sense.
You know, I really like your car.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Thank you, I
it's,
just
like,
got
really
it.
Nice.
I just got it like last month.
How you do Uber for your car? Is that how you make money?
Yep, I do Uber and I have this little side business. I like drop ship like teddy bears.
Okay. So
Yeah.
how much do you think you make?
I make like a couple $100,000 a year.
Okay.
Like 200-300K on a good year.
You know, you're actually kind of cute. Do you want to hang out after work maybe?
I'm down.
Okay, perfect.
Well, what do you want to do?
We can just kick it, maybe watch Netflix or something.
You have your own place?
I do, out here in LA.
Okay.
But when I get back, I'll have to let you know because I think you're kind of cute.
Yeah, just hit me up whenever.
Yeah, here, put your phone number in my... Oh, you're kind of driving. Here.
Nah, it's fine, whatever. I don't really follow the rules. Just an Uber driver.
Ooh, okay.
Alright. Yeah, just hit me up whenever. You can snap me
Okay.
too if you want. I don't really care.
Alright, bet.
Alright, well. What do you do for work or whatever?
I'm an influencer.
Yeah. What do you,
Yeah.
who do you influence?
Bad bitches.
Okay. Are you like a dancer or something?
I influence.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what terminal are you at?
B.
Terminal B?
Yep.
Okay. Alright, well, anyways, thanks for the ride, I guess.
Yeah, I'll see you when I get back.
Yeah, I guess. Whatever.
Yeah, keep your car nice. I love it.
Yeah, we'll see. It's a rental, but yeah.
Oh, it's a rental?
Yeah. Have a good day.
Wait, this is a rental?
Yeah, my McLaren's in the shop, so.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, have a nice day. I'll see you when I get back.
Alright, 5 stars.
Bye.
Thanks. Bye.